What's going on, YouTube? It's Ray Stocks. Today, I'm going to go over the stock that we traded today and how much we made and why I got in. Without further ado, I'm going to go straight into it. So this is a stock that we end up trading again today. So this is like my second or third time getting into this stock. I believe it's like this, yeah, the second or third. So as you can see here, I have my 3 points of resistance. 1, 2, 3. So I knew once it broke this pivot point right here at 326, we have room to 335. So we actually end up getting in right here. We end up getting in right here, right? And I'm gonna show you my Discord. So I told everybody, as you can see yesterday, GLD is pushing higher. Everyone, 2 contracts will be up nice in the morning. So we had 2 contracts. Like I said, GLD is up $2 from where it closed at last night. When the market closed, Con should be up pretty nice with the market open if it holds these levels. So I'm giving them updates as well. 8:26. So where I'm at, the market opens up at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So it all just depends on where you at. So as you can see, at 9:38, I was up 62.88%. Basically, you can round it up to 63%. $172. And I had about 2 contracts left. And as you can see, I told everybody you should be around $1,500 to $1,600 up so far. So we started a challenge. So if you want to join, link will be in the description below. I'm starting off with 1,000, and I'm gonna flip it to 10. So I'm just doing step-by-step process of showing people risk management, how much money to risk, plays to get in. I'm doing everything step-by-step to show everybody we can build this account up to 10,000. So yeah, that's why we got in. As you can see, it went up and we got out at a good candle too. As you can see, it rejected this right here. So right now it's still kind of hot. That's kind of a strong candle close red. It might pull back to this 326 here and could go back up, but we have to see. Right now it still looks strong. And I actually called the play out again, another play out. I called an NVIDIA put, but as you can see right here, Oracle earnings came out. So earnings are every quarter, every stock has to report. I think it's pretty sure it's 3 months. Every 3 months. I'm thinking every 3 months, stocks has to report their earnings, which is their earnings, their revenue. They need to let everybody know. If they're in the S&P 500, they have to let people know how much they're making per quarter. So Apple, right? When you pay for these Apple Music, Apple, their iPhones, the headsets, whatever it is with Apple you buy, they have to accumulate everybody's money and show the world how much they're benefiting from you consuming their product. So Oracle earnings came out, which kind of hurt us with these NVIDIA contracts right here. I had a put, but if you look right here, Oracle went up $71. So this caused the whole, I didn't say the whole market, but some stocks that shoot up, and NVIDIA happened to be on that side of the stock that went up. So, but like I told people, still on my zone, 18 trading days left. I'm not gonna let one green candle shake me out of my position. But yeah, that was the stock we got. We got GLD for 63%. And let's go take a look at NVIDIA chart. Video look good right here, but it's like, I mean, I'm not really worried about it too bad because I'll get out if it closes over. Let me send an alert. If it crosses up past 175. 175. This is a cool zone right here. So I'm looking for NVIDIA to break right here. I got alert for 162. And then if we lose 162, we'll lose 160, which means we can go down here, which is 153. This is September too, so this is one of the bearish months in the stock market. So we in a good position still. I'm not really worried about it too much. As long as you trade, you use risk management, you're not going to win every trade. You just don't want to panic off one green candle. Like a lot of people probably would have sold or got out this candle, but then when it goes down, people are, oh, I wish I would have held. Like, don't let one candle ever shake you out. So yeah, it's Discord right here. I called the plays over here, won the 10K challenge. And yeah, I called it out. Yup, right here. GLD. Yesterday I called it out. I said 2 kinds of GLD, 338 call for 915. First target will be over 335, which we cleared. And you can see I was up 5% at first, $20. Then I was at 22%, $80, and this thing was just running. I said, feel free to trim or sell. So if you don't know what trimming is, think of trimming like a haircut, right? When you go if you go get a haircut and you get your hair trimmed, you say, hey, can you cut some of my hair off, but not all of it? So think of trimming like that. So say hypothetically you have 2 contracts you're trimming. You will want to trim at least one of these and have one left, which will be called your runner. So since we're doing a small account challenge, I usually just sell my whole position because I'm only buying 2. But once we build this account up, I'll start buying more contracts. When I'm trimming, I'll start leaving runners. So yeah, and I'm updating you what stock I'm buying, how much is it up. And we've been hitting, just like the 3rd time, I'm pretty sure we can hit GLD. Other stocks I'm looking at is NVIDIA for the downside. If you want to look at SPY right here, SPY is starting to break up out of this little form I have, but still you look like it's showing some bullish MACD, looking like, okay. So the market is at all-time highs right now, so you want to be kind of careful. But if you see here, still making a lower high. The RSI MACD is making a lower high. So technically we still bullish. If you look at the chart, yeah, we still looking bullish, but you want to be careful here. Anytime SPY's at all-time highs, you want to be careful. You don't know when the pullback happened. The pullback can happen overnight, where you have no control over, which the market does like to do. They do like to make the biggest move on the upside or downside when the market is closed. So you want to be very mindful of that. And I'm looking for BKRB to pull back as well. So we got this. So if you look here, we had BRKB right here. We hit BRK.B. Let me show y'all last time what we hit. Where is it at? I can't think. So this last time we got in BRKB right here. I'll show you how much we made. We made 170%. Right here, 170%, $646. So I'm looking for this to pull back. If we can get a nice entry zone here, it's looking weak too. So if you can see right here, trend line, making a lower low right there. And also right here, as you can see, BKRB is making a lower low. So this will look good right here for a call. I just needed to break right here, my first add point. I'm looking for it to come down a little bit. Maybe lose this 488 and come down and get in calls. But if it loses the 200 moving average, then it's gonna be lights out from there. But yeah, link will be in the description below if you want to join this beginner's training section, educational videos. If you're new to this, educational videos. We got charting, candles, everything you need. We have stocks chat room. This is where we talk about the stock set. If you have any questions, you can see my boy Shades here. United Healthcare 78% for and that's his total. So he made 49% on these contracts and 84% on these contracts. He's a good swing trader as well. And yeah, read first. Come in, read this section first. We have stocks right here. I got everything. Stock chat room. I'll tell you what stocks to buy, high risk, gains, crypto to buy. Beginner training section. For beginner, we have the videos. If you're a picture person, we have pictures with explanations. Terminology, if you ever get lost, you don't know what I'm saying, we have the stock terminology right here. If you know what stock platform to use, I'll tell you that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, folks. So link will be in the description below. Like, share, comment this video. And yeah, we'll see y'all next time.